Hi, my name is Kashish Jain, and I have completed my BTech from IIT Ropar, post which, since the last 2.5 years, I had been working with American Express as a senior data associate. I actually got associated with Sarthak Verma and Career Edge right from the very beginning of my journey when I decided to pursue an MBA, even before I had given my GMAT. And I'm very thankful that this journey has culminated into me getting an opportunity to pursue an MBA from ISB. I first came across Sarthak through his YouTube content, and what immediately stood out to me was the depth of his knowledge around ISB. The kind of perspective and clarity he brings to the application process is genuinely unparalleled. Looking back, I think the biggest difference Sarthak brought was in how he helped shape my entire application. He could bring out points that even I missed out in my application and what aligned more with what ISB is looking for. What really differentiates Career Edge is the structured process they follow. I remember for every single section, whether it was the CV or the essays or even the smaller parts of the application, like the jobs and responsibilities or the achievement section, Sarthak would share a very detailed guidance video wherein he would explain what is expected to be written, and then we would have multiple iterations of reviewing the drafts until we reach the final version. This process we followed consistently throughout the entire application. Another thing that I really valued was how approachable and patient Sarthak was. I was completely comfortable asking any kind of questions that I had on top of my mind, and he would promptly guide me in depth with all the answers, and the approach seemed very structured. Even during the interview preparation phase, we worked on a very comprehensive document, preparing some 17, 18 must have questions, must prepare questions. And that not only helped me gain confidence to walk into the interview with clarity, but gave me a very strong sense of my own story. So, overall, this felt like a very personalized one on one mentorship experience rather than a typical consulting service. And the level of effort and investment that Sarthak and Team Career Edge put into each application is something that I genuinely don't think many platforms offer. So I could clearly see the transformation in my profile and would strongly recommend Career Edge and the guidance with Sarthak, mentorship with Sarthak for anybody who is looking into getting into ISB. Thank you.